Hey guys, okay, so this is my unboxing part 2 for the Louis Vuitton bandeau. So this is the box that it comes in. Okay, so the package would be in here, and it has the Louis Vuitton label, and on the outer part it's concealed, of course, with your address, etc. Right? And this envelope here just has all the information, such as return labels, thank you for purchasing our product, and it also has, in case you need to exchange or return. Okay, so everything is in this little packet here. You know, the thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, shipping label, right? And the name of the product is here. Right? So monogram confidential bandeau. And so that's what is in that beautiful envelope. And I always love to save all my envelopes. And if you're giving it as a gift, it comes with a card here, so you can write your sweet little messages of endearment and love, or if you're just gifting yourself. And of course, this is the box right here, as you can see. I'm just going to slide this over, and you have here the little drawer. Open it up. I love the box and I love the packaging. And you have the bandeau right here. As you can see, it's wrapped in beautiful tissue paper with Louis Vuitton sticker. And there we go. Voila. Look how beautiful. Part 2 of Virgo season, which is my month, and celebrating my birthday all bloody month, in little ways and big ways. So this is the bandeau, guys, and you can use it basically as a head wrap. You can use it as a beautiful little bow to tie on your jeans hook. You can use it as a tie to wear with a beautiful blazer. You can tie it onto your Louis Vuitton pocketbook or your pocketbook. And if you're and if you want, you can also use it as somewhat of a belt. Right? I think she's a beauty. And of course, it has the tag here, the Louis Vuitton label, which is here. Look how awesome. So beautiful. And that's it. Happy birthday to, happy birthday to, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to all my Virgos. Yeah, happy born day.